Hey everyone, I will be showing you how to create a monetized faceless YouTube AI historical channel. Ever wondered how certain YouTube channels manage to amass significant earnings in a short period? Today, we are unveiling the secrets of a channel that rakes in an impressive $100,000 annually. Stick with us to uncover the methods behind their success. In this investigation, we will dive into the success story of the YouTube channel Historical Videos. Wondering about the secrets to their prosperity? This isn't a unique case. Numerous channels attract millions of views and substantial earnings. This phenomenon raises the question: what are the factors contributing to their success and financial achievements? Stay tuned as we examine the strategies and techniques these channels use to achieve noteworthy results on YouTube. Furthermore, we will lead you through the procedure of creating comparable content designed for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. We will guide you through each step, starting from crafting an engaging script and choosing suitable visuals to editing your video to guarantee it captivates your audience. Make sure to stick around until the end, as we have an intriguing strategy to enhance your earnings. To begin, let us analyze the essential components that contribute to the attractiveness of these videos. But before we get into the specifics, let me provide a quick overview of our channel. If you are interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Do not forget to click that subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let us get started. Today, we set out on a captivating exploration into the world of timeless content on YouTube, an enduring genre that maintains its value and relevance over the years. Historical narratives with their timeless allure serve as a prime illustration of this enduring quality. The tales from bygone eras continue to enthrall audiences indefinitely, turning each video into a lasting resource akin to a dependable investment that yields returns over an extended period. Now, the question arises: how can you replicate such lasting success? The foundation lies in the creation of an outstanding script. To guide us through this creative process, we enlist the help of ChatGPT, a sophisticated language model developed by OpenAI. Let us explore the intricacies of how this cutting-edge tool seamlessly facilitates the script writing journey. ChatGPT opens up a vast landscape of ideas for historical content. After a thorough review of the options, we have chosen one that not only captures our interests but also provides the ideal video title. As we move forward, the crucial next step involves the meticulous crafting of the script, and in this task, ChatGPT proves to be an invaluable assistant, skillfully weaving together compelling narratives and engaging content. Engaging with ChatGPT is a breeze. Simply throw any questions about famous historical events or any topic that piques your curiosity its way. If you are a devotee of authors like J.K. Rowling or C.S. Lewis, you can instruct ChatGPT to emulate their writing styles. It is akin to having a writing companion who skillfully mimics the literary voices you adore. Now, suppose you are already well versed in your subject. That is fantastic. Share your thoughts with ChatGPT and watch as it collaborates with you to elevate your script. Think of it as teaming up with creative ally to transform your writing into something truly extraordinary. The beauty of ChatGPT lies in its adaptability. Whether you seek inspiration, desire writing in a specific style, or simply need a supportive partner for your script, ChatGPT is here to infuse your writing journey with enjoyment and simplicity. Whether you are taking your initial steps or you are as a seasoned professional, rest assured that ChatGPT has got your back in making your scripts absolutely awesome. Once you have meticulously polished your script, the subsequent critical step involves translating your ideas into visually captivating elements. We highly recommend harnessing the capabilities of Midjourney for this task, given its prowess in generating high-quality images that can significantly enhance the overall impact of your content. However, if, for any reason, Midjourney is not accessible to you, a superb alternative is to explore the possibilities offered by Leonardo AI. When delving into the selection of generation of images, it becomes imperative to engage in a systematic process of experimentation. using a variety of prompts closely aligned with the essence of your content. This method allows you to pinpoint the specific style and image quality that seamlessly complements the narrative of your video. It is crucial to recognize that each prompt can yield distinct visuals, emphasizing the importance of exploring diverse options until you unearth the style that effectively conveys your message to your intended audience. For those who might find navigating through Midjourney or Leonardo AI a bit challenging, there is no need for concern. I have created several dedicated videos focusing on these tools and their optimal utilization, providing a wealth of comprehensive guidance and invaluable insights. I strongly encourage you to explore these resources for a deeper understanding of how to make the most out of these tools in your creative endeavors. Now, let us breathe life into our images through animation. Head on over to Leia Pics. After selecting your photo and uploading it to the website, a brief wait ensures, and then, behold, your image begins to animate. What sets this platform apart is its user-friendly customization options, conveniently positioned on the right side of the screen. Here, you wield the power to fine-tune how your photo comes to life. Choose from various animation styles such as circle, wide circle, and more. Furthermore, you can tweak the animation's duration and control the intensity of motion effortlessly. Simply slide the slider left or right to achieve the desired effect. Moreover, there are advanced editors that lets you unleash your creativity. Take charge of the zoom level of your picture with some special features. Adjust them until your image looks flawless, exactly the way you envision it. Once you are content with the outcome of your animated image, you can proceed to save it. Simply click the export button. It is worth noting that each video export will deduct 50 credits from your balance. However, what distinguishes this platform is its generosity and offer free alternatives. Opt for the no-cost options such as MP4 720 pixel, which is generally sufficient for most requirements, along with other available choices. However, if you absolutely require the original size MP4, that option is also at your disposal. Personally, I will choose the MP4 720 pixel to conserve my credits, then click on Save. Repeat this process for all the images you intend to animate. The next pivotal phase in our content creation journey revolves around the art of voice recording. Click live into your script. Consider utilizing the services of an AI voice generator like 11 Labs. This tool transforms your written script into a captivating narrative, adding a compelling audio layer to your video. It is not merely about having a voice. It is about refining the voiceover to ensure it is smooth, polished, and seamlessly aligns with the tone and style of your content. Adjusting pitch, tone, and pacing can make a significant difference in the overall impact of your narrative. Moving forward, the choice of background music plays a crucial role in enhancing the overall viewing experience. It is not just about filling the auditory space. It is about selecting a soundtrack that complements the theme and mood of your content. Music possesses the ability to evoke emotions and elevate engagement, making it an integral component of your storytelling toolkit. When it comes to procuring music, it is essential to navigate the intricate terrain of copyright issues. To mitigate potential legal concerns, consider exploring music on platforms explicitly designed to provide copyright-free options, such as Tuntang or Pixabay. These platforms offer an extensive array of music that you can seamlessly integrate into your videos without the looming threat of copyright claims. By doing so, you not only ensure a smoother creative process, but also safeguard your content against potential legal challenges, allowing you to concentrate on the artistic aspects of your video creation. Now that you have assembled all the essential elements in your toolbox, let us plunge into the thrilling realm of video editing. This is where your voiceover, carefully crafted images, and the dynamic soundtrack converge to create a captivating video. You have the liberty to choose your preferred editing software. I personally favor CapCut for its cost-effectiveness and abundance of cool features. Not only does it save you money, but it's also proficient in video editing. If you are new to video editing, experimenting with a free tool like CapCut is a wise move. However, if you have a bit more budget to spare, there are sophisticated options like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut. These are the superheroes of video editing, promising exceptional results with a plethora of features for crafting outstanding videos. Whether You opt for the free alternatives or explore the premium ones, the adventure of video creation awaits. And with this, you are well equipped to breathe life into your ideas. When producing short videos for platforms such as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, it is essential to set the aspect ratio to 9:16. For longer videos, opt for an aspect ratio of 16:9. These guidelines are specifically tailored for short-form content. Carefully review your footage, eliminating any segments that do not significantly contribute to the video's interest. As we aim to create impactful content, sometimes a single image can effectively convey the message. Focus on crafting compelling text to capture attention and select music that resonates with the narrative. This straightforward approach often yields a more substantial impact on conveying historical content. Adding captions to your video is crucial for ensuring understanding, especially for viewers who may not have access to sound. Many video editing tools include an auto captions feature, similar to the one mentioned. Click on Auto Caption and the tool will generate captions for your video. You can then refine these captions to appear polished and synchronize seamlessly with your narration. After finalizing the editing process and confirming your satisfaction with the video, utilize the export option to download it, preparing it for sharing across all your social media platforms. This initial step is crucial as it lays the foundation for accumulating views and potentially earning money. Here is an additional tip. To maximize your reach and engagement, strive to upload the video daily or at the very least 2 to 3 times a week. Consistent posting frequency enhances your visibility and increases the likelihood of reaching a broader audience through the platform's algorithm. In addition to regular content creation, think about establishing your personal brand identity by incorporating a distinctive logo and choosing a unique name. These elements contribute to building a recognizable and memorable brand that can further distinguish your faceless AI historical channel in the crowded digital landscape. In conclusion, this provides a comprehensive step-by-step guide for crafting or creating a monetized faceless AI historical channel. Was the process of creating historical videos straightforward and user-friendly for you? Your insights are highly valued, so please feel free to share your comments below. Your unique ideas and personal experiences can offer valuable guidance to those embarking on a similar creative journey.
In the trenches of World War I, where the soil bore witness to the anguish of nations, soldiers faced the relentless onslaught of war's cruelty. Amidst the thunderous echoes of artillery, friendships bloomed in the shadows of imminent peril. One soldier, a poet with ink-stained letters, chronicled the beauty stolen by conflict.
Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.